Hi everyone, I'm Granville Michael Louis Madayag Raimundo, your Mr. Tourism World Philippines 2025.
Yes, Winter, congratulations again.
Thank you.
Upon winning award mo as Mr. Tourism World Philippines, ano yung pinakauna mong ginawa noon?
Pinaka-first kong ginawa, like completely rest. Binigyan ako ng regional director ko ng time to rest talaga. Be with my family, simple celebration with my family, something like that. Tapos, check na mga messages, reply to congratulatory messages as well.
Balik tayo dun sa bago ka pumasok dun sa journey mo sa Mr. Tourism World Philippines. Ano yung nakapagpa-decide sa'yo to join? Siyempre tayo, bago tayo pumili ng sasalian, meron tayong mga reasons,
Yes.
Parang kinoconsider. Ano yun?
So, to be completely honest, last minute decision po talaga yung sumali ako ulit ng regional pageant last year. Parang sabi ko, I really prayed for it na during my last coronation, 2016, I asked and prayed for it na if it's your will, God, na bigyan ako ng crown, sana magtuloy ng nationals. And of course, one would be to promote sustainability tourism. That's been booming here in our province as well. I really would want to support community-based tourism para mas lalong ma-uplift yung livelihood programs nila from small community to a bigger perspective.
Do you think naging advantage mo ba na your hometown is isa sa mga pinaka-tourism spot ng Philippines? Do you think advantage sa'yo yun?
That's one advantage, yes. Kasi there are still a lot of hidden gems here in the Cordilleras na pwede nyo pang ma-visit. So, earlier today, that's just one province out of the entire region of Cordillera. And if you're really into thrilling activities, something like that, so come find yourself here in the Cordilleras.
Ang question ko for the next is yung ito na yung sa pageant mo na sa ibang bansa. Ano yung mga preparation mo? Siyempre, iba-ibang makakasalamuha mo, the culture.
Yes.
May mga plans ka na ba? May mga susutin na ba tayo?
Yeah, so first things first, physical aspect. So we'll be training hard for my physical, my physique in general, para makakompete naman ako with other nations. And more than that, of course, I would want to instill knowledge when it comes to tourism for the entire Philippines. Kasi when I competed for national, nag-focus lang ako sa region ko. So now, mas malaki, mas malawak ang scope niya, buong Philippines na. So that's one thing I really would want to divulge on. So more on mentally, physically, lahat, holistically na lahat.
Yes. Since andito na rin lang tayo, paano mo parang kakausapin yung mga viewers ko na support you in your journey? Siyempre, alam naman natin, in Mayo, sobrang hirap talaga to gain
Yes.
supporters.
Yes, everyone. So hi. So I'm asking genuinely for your support for me to be able to compete on the international stage and represent Philippines well. Your support really matters to me. I mean, onting support, onting push, that's really a big factor to candidates, because that's one thing that would ignite their spark to, perform well, perform or do better.
Bigyan mo sila idea kung kailan yung pageant mo and saan gaganapin.
Alright, so yes, that's going to be next year, February 5 to 12, and it will be held in Thailand, Chiang Mai, Thailand.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.